Making money online seems impossible, but this dream came true through famous social media platforms like TikTok and YouTube, which are worldwide used at this time. One of the most amazing things about these platforms is that you can use them from anywhere and anytime. Not only this, you can also make a handsome amount by working on these platforms, even without investing a single penny. But here, let me add this important fact that working on these platforms is not worth it if you don't work on the perfect niche. So today, I come with the most amazing niche that is so profitable. Well, I am talking about the anime niche, which is successfully running in trading niches. I know that anime lovers would be so pleased to know about it. Well, if you are an anime lover, then I am sure you have never thought about turning your passion for anime into a profitable side hustle. Well, you're in luck, because today I am diving into the exciting world of the viral anime niche and how you can make anime videos. And of course, how to earn serious money from it. Never lose your heart. If you are not aware of this niche, after following this video, you will definitely work on this niche like a pro. Before going to discuss the method of creating a video on this niche, let me show you an account on this niche. Look at this account, which got millions of views. All right, let me play this video. Now check it out, how perfect is it? So now we come to the step-by-step easy method of creating videos like this. So first, we need a script for our video. I am using ChatGPT because we need an engaging script for our video. That's why I always trust ChatGPT to make a perfect script. So let's create a script. Simply go to ChatGPT once and use prompts like I am asking ChatGPT to give me 800 characters engaging script asking for my motivation video. At the very next moment, ChatGPT gave me a script according to my prompts. Now, carefully read this script. If it is perfect, then well and good, but if not, then you can also make some changes to it. The next step is generating a voiceover of our script. For this purpose, we can use 11 Labs. Believe me, it is the best tool for generating voice. When you open it, there will be a lot of options for voices. Calmly check out them and choose what you think will be best for your niche. After selecting one of them, simply go back to ChatGPT and copy the script that you have generated. Now, swing back to 11 Labs and paste it, and paste into this text box. Now click on the option of Generate. As you can see, my paragraph is around 800 characters, which means my voiceover will take 40 to 50 seconds. All right, now we have the voiceover. Listen to it carefully, and if you're satisfied with it, then simply download it. All right, now it's time to edit our audio clip. So, I am using a CapCut to adjust our audio clip. Come to CapCut and simply import your voiceover that we have generated in 11 Labs. Now, drag your clip onto the timeline like this. After that, simply go to the top right corner and up the volume to about 5. Now, we have to delete the dead portion of this clip. So find this dead air by zooming your audio clip. Now, simply hit B on your keyboard to access the split this part. Well, now click on the dead air section and remove it. After doing so, simply drag your voiceover clips back together. Now simply repeat this process for your entire voiceover. As I am doing so. Finally, our voiceover is complete now. Next, we have to come towards the editing process. But for video editing, we need animation images. We can get images from ChatGPT. So, I am going back to ChatGPT and asking it to generate some images. It will give us Leonardo AI image prompts. So, here is a list of image prompts. Now, I am going to ask ChatGPT to generate more additional prompts. All right, now you can see the image prompts have been created. Now, simply go to Leonardo. Once open, then click on the option of image creation, which is situated in the center of the screen. The first thing we have to do is adjust the preset. For it, we have to go to the top left of this page, click the drop-down, and simply choose the option of anime. Next, we have to scroll down and change the generation mode to quality rather than fast. After that, click the More button, which is located under Image Dimensions, and choose the TikTok format. Finally, make sure you are generating at least 2 images per prompt. If this is locked, hit the Legacy Mode switch, and now you can generate 2 just fine. Alright, the settings are now ready. Next, we have to go back to ChatGPT and copy our first prompt images from here. So, copy it and go back to Return to Leonard. Now, simply paste it into the generation box and click on the option of Generate. At the very next moment, we got these anime images. As you can see, these images do not look real. Now, repeat this process to generate images like this. Okay, now we have all the images that we need for our video. Next, we have to animate them and make them move. For this purpose, we have to click on your first image like this. Now, hit this image to the motion button. Now, go ahead, and you have to set the strength to around 5. After that, simply hit the option of Generate. Now, you can repeat this process for all your images. Look at this. I have created all these moving images, and I think they look perfect. Alright, now it is better to go ahead and download everything, so that we can put all of them together. Now we have to edit our video. For it, I always prefer CapCut, which is no doubt one of the most amazing editing tools. So, open CapCut and start this editing process by importing everything that we have gathered. Now, drag in the images and simply align them with different parts of the voiceover. Well, for a new image for each sentence, as this will significantly help keep our viewers engaged, drag in all your images. Next, we have to animate it. For it, we have to select an image and click on the option of animation, which is located in the top right of this page. Next, you have to click a random one. Next, I am going to add captions. For it, we have to click on the option of text in the top left, then click on the auto captions option. Now, simply hit Generate. This will take some time, so have some patience. After that, we have to proceed to the next step, which is to add transitions. So, click on Templates in the upper right corner, then simply through the options to find one that works for our video. Well, I will go with this one, because it looks so tidy and fits the bill. Once all of our captions are complete, well, go to Transitions in the top left and select one that you like the look of. Then, drag it onto the timeline between your first and second images. Once in place, here we have to decrease the duration to about 0.3 seconds. Finally, hit the Apply to All button. Alright, we have to search for relevance to our first image. So, I think smoke would look really good here because the smoky touch in the animation video will look really cool. So I'll find a smoke effect and drag it onto the timeline. I think it is a little bit over the top, that's why I am going to decrease the atmosphere a bit. As you can see on the left is a really amazing effect in our video. Same as this, you have to find out the effects of your images. I am adding effects to these images one by one. After that, we have to proceed to the next step, which is to add an adjustment to our video. For it, we have to hit Adjustment, add a custom adjustment, and simply extend it out like this. Now go to the top right and simply increase the saturation to about 10. Basically, this will increase the vibrancy of our video. Finally, we have to scroll down and set the vignette to 25. Alright, now check all the things carefully. If everything is fine and you did well. Once you are satisfied with it, then click on the option of Export. It will a few seconds to export. Alright, it is done. Now look at this. How is it smoothly played? So there you have it. The anime niche is booming, and with the right content and strategy, you can turn your passion into profit. Remember, the key is consistency, creativity, and connecting with fellow fans. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more amazing videos. We will catch you soon. Till then, goodbye.